Mysterious volcanic ash blanket that blanketed the Mediterranean 29,000 years ago has been traced to a volcano in Naples, Italy. Researchers from the University of Oxford have traced the origin of a prehistoric eruption that blanketed the Mediterranean region in ash 29,000 years ago to Naples' little-known Campi Flegrei volcano, just west of the city. Since the late 1970s, scientists have identified similar prehistoric volcanic ash blankets in sediment cores taken from a 150,000 square kilometer, 50,000 square mile, area in the central Mediterranean. The widespread ash blanket, which is thought to be 29,000 years old, blankets the region and clearly indicates a major volcanic eruption. Although the region is known for its many active volcanoes, such as Mount Vesuvius, which famously destroyed Pompeii in 79 AD, scientists have failed to conclusively match these older, more widespread ash deposits to a specific volcano or eruption. The research, led by Dr. Paul Albert, a researcher at the School of Archaeology, has now identified ash deposits from the eruption of Naples by the Campi Flegrei volcano that have a chemical composition consistent with prehistoric ash layers found in the Mediterranean region. The work was carried out in collaboration with international researchers, including from the National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, the National Research Council in Italy, the Laboratoire des Sciences du Climat et de l'Environnement in France, and the Berkeley Geochronology Center in the US. Part of the challenge in reliably linking this major ashfall event to Campi Flegrei is that there is limited evidence for major eruptions close to the volcano, Albert said. This is partly because more recent large-scale volcanic eruptions have buried the Naples area in thick ash deposits, which have largely destroyed or hidden evidence of these older events, Albert said. The team used a computer-based ash distribution model to reconstruct the size of the eruption. By correlating the thickness of the ash fall found in Naples with deposits preserved in cores from across the central Mediterranean, the model was able to pinpoint and provide important constraints on the size of this major eruption, Albert said. The study places the previously unreported Campi Flegrei eruption somewhere between two well-known volcanic eruptions, 15,000 and 40,000 years ago. Drastically reducing the interval between major eruptions at the volcano. The research, published today in the journal Geology, also highlights the importance of considering ash fall events preserved far from the volcano when reconstructing the timing and scale of previous explosive eruptions. Ash falls preserved hundreds of kilometers away from the volcano are crucial in the identification and reconstruction of this major eruption at Campi Flegrei, Albert said.